we started a company called Ambience in 2000, Ambience Designs, and ran it for 6 years, where we were doing diverse things. I was practicing architecture and he was doing communication design after doing his masters from IIT. And in 2006 we sold it off, and we went to London and stayed there, worked there for 5 years, and decided that, you know, being an entrepreneur, you know, once an entrepreneur, always an entrepreneur, wanted to come back and do something of our own again. Instead of starting from scratch, we thought it is better to come together with people whom we already knew, and we knew that we gelled together very well with them, the thought processes match, and that's when we met Hemant and Geeta.
That's pretty much how Fractal Link as a private limited got started off. We never kind of really thought of such a big leap that we'll go into. It was a very modest dream that we started off with. So I think all through our lives, that's a story been really. It's about people, it's about things we love, it's about trust that we build.
That's how actually MFA also happened for us, because when we met Chitra for the first time, there was an instant connect, and there was you know, a comfort level which we thought, you know, we never had that much money after selling when the Dentsu acquisition happened. So we were very protective about, because it was hard earned, we had put our flesh and blood into, you know, earning that. So we were protective about it. Never taken a lot of risks around how to manage money. It was always FDs and you know, safe instruments. And when we met Chitra, we knew that with her our money is safe, and with MFA along her our money is safe. And with that comfort, because of the people at MFA, we were very you know, in a zone where we thought that yes, this will work for us.
The comfort level was instant. Okay, I could see that what I feel about life is exactly what they feel about life. So at that point of time, you somehow believe that, you know what, there is some part of you itself managing a part which you probably don't like to manage so much. So I think that ways the fit was instant. Again, the family got extended. As I said, we like working with people whom we like, so the likeness was increased to MFA. We met both Amar, we met Chitra, we went through the whole goal planning, which at some point of time I was kind of say, okay fine, we have to think so much about it, because before that you never kind of give a thought to what to do. I mean, it was money comes in, you enjoy life, and you kind of be a happy-go-lucky about it. But
to be honest, that goal planning exercise itself, it made us open our minds in a way to think about, yes, you know, there is a plan ahead, there is a kid whose future needs to be planned, there are parents who need to be taken care of. So I mean, we were doing things ad hoc. You know, when the need arises, you invest into it, but there was always this push and pull that used to happen about money, which when we thought about it and when we planned about it, now we know there is a structure to it, there is a way we can plan.
I still don't know, Priyanka. I think no, I mean, I actually, see, to be honest with you, yes, it was given to us that, you know what, you need to think about it, but still you don't need to think about it. Okay, that was the great part, because suddenly you realize that, you know what, parents are important, child education is important, but I don't want to think about it, really. And then MFA comes, you know what, don't think about it. Okay, I will think about that, and you do what you do best.
So also there is a discipline which they have brought in our lives. I'll give you an example. So earlier, the amount which is there in the account used to go whenever we used to feel like buying something, go out and buy. I remember this conversation, and it's a funny conversation, because I had to call up Chitra and say, I don't have money for my child's fees, please transfer some money to me. So that's a discipline, because you know you need to plan ahead, and there is obligation and the limit to which you can do, you know.
And guys, also I think there are certain people who are designed to work in a certain way. I would still see MFA as a collaboration to Fractal Link rather than managing my personal account only. Because the moment MFA comes into my life, I am able to grow my company in a much bigger way, in a much better or probably much more involved way, which I don't think so was possible if I used to say, you know what, I will do everything myself. One, you cannot. Second, there are good people around. Why don't you collaborate? So I think that was my philosophy to this whole thing, is that I love what I do, you love what I do, please do it.
So one incident which I remember when the whole acquisition thing happened and the news came out, a lot of phones started coming in terms of, we can manage your finances, we can grow your money to this much amount, and all sorts of salesy pitches were happening around. And this particular company had come, I will not name the company, but come and met us multiple times. We met Chitra, and then all of this, we formalized things with the MFA at some point, and when they came to meet us again, we told them that now MFA is managing it. They backed off, so they said that we will back off, now you're in safe hands. BFSI for Fractal has been a biggest sector, biggest clientele happens to be in this sector, and we have a lot of these financial institutions who come to us, and we are doing their digital transformation journeys for them. We have got this validation from various people in this industry endorsing MFA as people who manage money best. So that itself, the industry itself respects the position which MFA holds, and I think it is not because how well they manage the business, it is what the people they are, and that I think is the most important thing.
The acquisition allowed us to kind of really look into a picture which is bigger than what we thought of this whole thing that we're trying to create here. That juncture was very important for us to have some supporting hands around, okay, and I think MFA at that point of time came to us as a supporting hands. You know what, don't worry about it, I think this is a good thing that has happened to you. And also being friends around at that point in time with Chitra, who is a part of MFA, it gave us real assurance that guys, what you have done with Dentsu, the collaboration is actually destined. Actually, you're destined to make it much bigger. Don't worry about things like money, management, goals, planning. We'll help you out. Okay, we're there. So everything comes together, right from Amar to Chitra to MFA to us to Hemant, Geeta. All of us getting together is destined, and till now it's all happy. So I'm quite happy to be in a place where we're talking to you in the slides.